Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Amelia and in today's video I will be showing you how I do my winged liner for hooded lids. So if you want to find out how I created this, look right here, please keep watching. So for wing liner I always use this product right here, the Napoleon Purtis Matte Eye Ink. I really like the felt tip brush right here and the product has lasted me so long. So as you can see, I'm just going to do my wing first, as I always do, just very carefully, and then I like to flick it right up like that, and then I'm going to bring it in round sort of quarter way up and then bring it across my lid roughly. So what I think helps with hooded lids is if you keep your liner quite thin across your eyelid. Especially with my eyes, I feel like if I do a thick line across my lid, they just close my eyes right over and all I have is this really black line across my eyelid and it sort of covers my whole lid when I'm looking straight ahead, so really do not enjoy that look. So I try to keep my wing, I mean you can have a long wing for sure, but when you bring it to your eyelid, like as I'm doing right now, if you keep it sort of quite low and not covering your whole lid, or like at least the quarter of your lid from the outer corner, I find that you get a much better effect and it's more flattering, way more flattering to your eye. So yeah, see how I like that? And then I'm just going to grab some concealer and I'm just going to clean that up a little bit right here. And yeah, I just find that this way of doing it is a lot flattering to your eye. It's really hard. I wish I'd done a video where I could show you exactly what I mean here, like how I used to do my wing liner. My eyes, I feel like I have definitely drooped. Like I just feel like all that space there between my eyelid and my brow bone, it's like really like fatty. I don't know. I really need like a friggin' eye lift or some shit. I don't know. But I have noticed that over time, from when I first started doing wing liner, my lids have changed so much that I have to change the whole way that I do my liner. So that's kind of annoying. But anyway, we will get there eventually. So I'm just doing the other eye now. I thought that I would just go with it, and instead of explaining myself too much, I would just sort of show you. I'm so bad at explaining stuff that it is so much easier just to show you. So once again, I'm just starting my liner, my wing lower. So yeah, like I said, it just creates it. You instead of your wing, when you have, because my eyes aren't too hooded, but they are a little bit hooded. And if you have more hooded eyes, your wing can just get so taken over, or your lid can make your liner. See, I'm so bad at explaining stuff. Your lid can make your eyeliner invisible, basically. If you have really like hooded lids, your lids will take over your eyeliner basically, and you won't be able to see it. So you have to make your wing. You have to look at yourself straight in the mirror and figure out how you can do your liner so that it can show when you look straight ahead but not look silly. I've done so many wing liners on people when I used to work at a makeup counter that loved the wing liner, but they had such severe hooded lids, it was so difficult to be able to show them exactly how they can achieve this effect without it looking stupid, because when your lids droop on your makeup, it's going to cause a lot of smudging, and it's going to rub away and blah blah blah. So if you have severe hooded lids, I'll probably skip this. But if you've got lids a little bit more droopier than mine or like mine, this is going to look really nice. So yeah, so basically you just want to achieve quite a nice thin line across your eyelid. That is the main focus. That is what I'm trying to say. A very thin line across your eyelid, and then with your outer corner of your eyelid, so where you put the darkest shadow of your eyeshadow on your eye, that's where you can create a thick wing, you know what I mean? So as long as your eyelid is not actually drooping on top of it, but that is how you can achieve quite a nice winged look. So you don't want and if you point your liner, your wing, not so far up your brow, and you point it sort of straighter as well, I find you can get a nice effect. So naturally, as I'm doing this video, my wing is not actually participating very well. So usually this doesn't take this long at all, and I'm like fart-assing around with it and trying to make it perfect, blah blah blah, but whatever. I'm just trying to give you somewhat of an idea of how to create a nice wing when you have slightly hooded lids. And I know this wasn't the greatest video because I could have showed you so much more. But if you just watch what I do, and if you watch, I've also got another video actually that where I do like a wing liner, like a basic wing liner bold lip, kind of like this look that I just kind of wanted to achieve. And I did my liner like the exact same way that I always would, and I had such hooded lids, like it just accentuated my hooded lids so much more, and I hated it, and I was like, what the hell is this? So that's what kind of gave me the idea of this video. So I might do another one just to show you a bit more of how that you should do this properly, and probably not a talk over because it's so hard to do like a talk over video when you're trying to explain something where I'm not actually like it's just hard. But I also want to point out that it is very important to prime your lids with an eye primer. I have an Urban Decay eye primer that I've had for yonks that I've used for ages. It is the most amazing stuff. Or you can just prime your eyes with a concealer and powder over the top. I have been loving the Mecca Max Life Proof Cream Concealer. I think it's the cream concealer. The new Mecca Max one, I'm loving that. It is amazing. And then I put on the Fresh and Flawless Australis powder over the top, and I find that that has really worked for me lately. So I would highly suggest doing that as well. Otherwise, your eyeliner is just going to go everywhere if your eyelids are not primed. So I also find that with this look, I love to finish it off with lashes. Absolutely, I just can't. I just feel like with a winged liner, depending on your face and stuff, it can make you look very, very harsh, like extremely harsh. And if you don't pair it with lashes, I feel like it can be really harsh. That's just me. If I do a wing liner with just my normal lashes, I just hate it. I need big fluffy lashes to finish it off, and to make it just all come together. It makes my eyes look bigger and more friendly, and I don't know what else, but yeah. And I don't know what else to say in this video, to be honest. I think that's pretty much it. I did pair this makeup look with a nice bold lip, an Australis one. What was it called? Oh my god. I think it's called Cream de la Choc, I think. And that's the Australis one. It is amazing. It's cruelty-free, Australian, feels really nice on the lips, blah, blah, blah. Awesome stuff. Yeah, so I think that's it for this video. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please comment below if you want me to do this look again and show you a little bit more thoroughly. But I did want to get this out here because when I created this eye look, these wings, I thought they complemented my eye so well, and I haven't had a nice wing liner like that on my eye for so long where it's actually made me look actually good rather than harsh and weird. So that's why I had to put it up. So regardless of my really bad explaining, I really, really, really like how this wing liner turned out. So thanks again for watching. And oh, by the way, the lashes, if I don't know how this video is going to go, but the lashes that I'm wearing are the Cherry Lashes number 43. Amazing lashes. I've worn these so many times. They are amazing. So thank you so much again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. Please comment, and I will see you in our next video on Friday. I've decided that I'm going to be posting Fridays from now on. Every Friday makes it easier. Yep, sweet. So I will see you then. Thank you so much. Bye.